I'm up here just chatting about girls, it's true. You ever noticed how in love they know just what to do? Scroll through their file like fine to find the perfect guy, but end up watching cat vids and laugh until they cry. When girls get ready, it's like a sacred rite. 3 hours prep for a call night.
Hey everyone! So in today's video, it's going to be a bit different. I want to talk about AI music instead of diffusion models and animation videos. Now, I want to show you guys a really cool AI music generator that we've been playing around with a lot in our Discord groups, creating funny sounds, funny music, and also very cool tunes using this one called Udio. Udio is very similar to how you all know Suno is very popular, and recently a lot of people have covered their latest version 3 updates for their audio AI models. But then, one downside with Suno is that they have free credits, which is just 50 credits daily, so you're only able to generate like 10 songs every day. But Udio is kind of different. It's totally free right now since it's still in beta. Hopefully they'll have some solid pricing coming soon. But in this period, it mentions that you can make up to 200 songs per month. That means, well, that's going to be way more than Suono. We can do like 10 songs a day with Suono, so 300 songs a month. So what's the difference between Udio and Suono? Here, we can generate funny things, funny music, comedy talk shows like that. For example, let's listen to this one.
Yo, my life's like a sitcom, laugh track and all. First kiss at 13, thought I could ball. Puppy love braces and those mall rendezvous. She rocked glitter gloss and those Skechers shoes. Girls, yeah, they grow, but the game stays the same. From teen crush text to grown-up fame.
Yeah, so something like that. More than Suono, most people are generating stuff like pop music, K-pop, jazz, rock music, or something like that. Or even like this one, it's kind of common for a lot of AI music generators or audio models that you can generate simple rhythms like this. So what it's doing in this music is just using the word cat and creating a rhythm with that word. And well, yeah, it's kind of funny and creative when you look at it the first time. And in Udio, it's more like you're able to create more content with the lyrics. In the text prompt here, you've got more settings. You're able to select your own instrument or just let the AI auto-generate instruments to match with your song's themes or lyrics, and you can customize it with your own lyrics. If you have funny jokes or a rap, you have your lyrics ready for your rap, and you want the AI to do that, you can customize that as well. But right here, I don't see Suono having things that we can do in that customization area. Instead, it just has a text prompt area for you to describe what the music is about, and it just lets the AI freely create its own music. But yeah, in their version 3 latest update, we can do that now, but it's less customized when I see it because right here, we just see the UI from the top, the text prompt, you can just do it right here, and also the lyrics, you're able to add in the vibe and bridge in the chorus. This is really cool, and I'm not sure if in Suono's latest version 3 models they have that or not. Okay, they do have this, the verse, so verse 1 and verse 2. You can do that as well in Suono. So let's try it out. Udio is kind of cool and it's totally free right now, so why not, right? I've generated a few examples here, and in the last video I demonstrated one that our Discord friend created for the Future Thinker channel, and it was amazing. It matched the theme that the song was made for and it looked so cool. Based on that, I have a couple of AI-related songs I generated here, and some are comedy talks mixed with singing, talking about girls.
Yo, my life's like a sitcom, laugh track and all. First kiss at 13, thought I could ball. Puppy love braces and those mall rendezvous. She rocked glitter gloss and those Skechers shoes. Girls, yeah, they grow, but the game stays the same. From teen crush text to grown-up fame.
And there's another style that's pretty cool. Check this out.
It's weird. Dating girls in these modern times, I swear, they check on your Insta before they let you near. Like loose token, this confing coffee.
It kind of feels like it's in a talk show. You can hear there's clapping, there's like laughing sounds for the backgrounds, and it feels like it's not only generating a song that the AI sings, but it's also able to generate like a talk show, a comedy show that has someone presenting to an audience and they have backgrounds and all that. And I've shared this idea in our Discord that like people can use these tools to make AI comedy YouTube channels with this tool, just these tools, and you can make your own content like that. I've shared these ideas in Discord and it's just amazing, man. And lots of other YouTube channels that we can make with these tools, like making techno music, rock music, or basically any kinds of sounds you can possibly make just using the text prompt here. And also, like with Suno, you're able to extend these sounds. So based on these sounds, you can extend the length rather than just the default 30-ish seconds. By default, you can make it longer. Like this one, I have a longer sound clip. And again, this is also some comedy talk show style sounds. And you can remix, of course. You can just use similar styles. So, like in AI image generation, we use the same seed numbers and generate stuff. And it's the same concept in AI sound models. We can remix with similar sounds. So let's try this out. We can do a remix. Actually, this one is too long to remix. Okay, we can try remixing the shorter 30-second one. Yeah, so after you click the remix button, there's, all the information about the existing AI audio that it created. And, all the settings we can see here. This is a rock music style describing a person and so on. We can do similar styles or totally different styles. In these setting bars, you can add more lyrics here, you can select your own instrument or just let the AI generate by itself, and it's all very customizable in here. Yeah, let's try using this previous one, the comedy talk show style audio. I want to try remixing this. So in here, we can do something similar and let's remix. It always generates 2 results each time. Maybe that's a good thing, but the downside is that it's going to consume double the credits from your account. But I think it's fine, because we need different variants to choose whether A or B is better and just try to use a better one to make an extension audio with that. I wonder if, like for example, this one is over 1 minute and see if I can still extend this one, okay? So we consumed 5 credits to extend as well. So now there are 4 audio files generating at the same time. It looks pretty fast. This AI tool's cloud generation is pretty speedy. I guess they've invested a lot in GPUs and hardware on their backend servers already. Hopefully, they'll have some reasonable monetization model coming out so people can try it out and then subscribe to the service. I understand this may not be a totally free service forever, but it's something like this AI model that's worth trying to create content with, and I think it's fine to pay for this eventually.
It's weird. Dating girls in these modern times, I swear, they check on your Insta before they let you near. Like Lust in this confing cafe.
So yeah, they can create jokes now just leveraging the AI models to create jokes. Okay, let's check out the other three new results here. This is the similar one that is creating jokes about girls, just a remix of the other result from this prompt. So let's check it out.
It's weird. Dating girls in these modern times, I swear. They check on your Insta before they let you near. Like Lust in this confing cafe.
As I said previously, the settings are very similar in the remixed variants, so therefore, the content styles are very similar and even the background noise of the audience laughing is really similar. I think based on that, you can change the lyrics here, use another joke about your topic, and it'll create that kind of vibe. My prompt here is comedy jokes from American Talk About Girls. So that's a very basic, simple text prompt. And yeah, you can just use something like that or, do an animal one and make a YouTube channel talking about animals and some funny facts about animals. You can make that as well. So let's try this one.
Dating girls in these modern times, I swear. They check on your Insta before they let you near. Like Lust in this confing cafe. Babe, did you like her post? That's an instant red flag. Scrolling through my feed instead of holding my hand. Online, she's a sleuth. Got them digital spies. But face to face, can't look me straight in the eyes. It's like they swipe right with one hand and push away with another. But ask about commitment, they both run for cover. Now she's texting in emojis, man, what's with the code? Sends a wink and a pizza, guess that means let's elope. Tell her you ain't got Snapchat, watch her face hit surprise. Like you just said you're from Mars or you can't tell sunrise.
Yeah, as you can hear the sound of this one, it's 2 times extended, so therefore it's 1 minute long. And the middle part here is really, really nice how, the AI catches the moment when the speaker talks something funny, and then the background sound of the audience laughing and clapping reacts in the next few seconds. It's something this AI has been trained to understand. The momentum of when the audience claps and laughs, when the comedy speaker finishes a joke or pauses for a while, waiting for the audience to react. Yeah, so this AI is really good. I think personally, I'll definitely use this. We'll keep creating funny jokes and funny music in our Discord, and more people seem to like it, so hopefully you guys like this too. These tools can really create a lot of content. To be honest, I've thought about like 4 ideas to create video content already using just this audio tool. And yeah, you can then use video diffusion or just image to animation. Then you have something made with AI generated audio and image or animations combined into a cool AI generated video. So that's something I'm looking forward to, and I'll try to do something like that on the channel coming up on YouTube Shorts, creating something funny like this. So I hope you guys get inspired using these tools to create content that you like and love, and I'll see you all in the next videos. Have a nice day. Bye.